Hey, now to make this look 1,000 times better. It's called Burn Baby Burn. Okay, I brushed on all the red stain and I wiped it off with a dry rag. And to get a little more of the excess off, it was a little too dark for me. I took a wet rag, wrung it out really good in the sink, and I scrubbed it really good. And I kind of got the look that I want. So now to flip it over and hit it with some blue. Okay, I've got it hung from the ceiling with some chains and some lag bolts. I pre-drilled them so I could screw them in the studs. Just took a screwdriver and cranked them in, got them the same distance. Chain and all the hooks came from Lowe's, very inexpensive. But I've hit it with a coat of shellac. It's kind of hard to see on this side. It's might be kind of dark for you. But the shellac I hit it with is a can of Bullseye spray. Worked really good. So after I stained it, I wiped off all the excess stain. I reburned it with a torch in some areas, and that side came out really good. Check out the other side here. Walk around all my mess in the garage. But yeah, so now when I live stream or do anything online, it'll be hanging right over my workstation. And yeah, the XTOOL D1 did an awesome job. It engraved it very deep and done a great job on it. And other than that little minor boo-boo at the bottom I showed you originally, came out really good. So yeah, XTOOL D1, you rock. Damn, very good machine, very good machine. So it's my biggest diode laser of all of them. Like I said, I've got 5 diodes. This works amazingly well. I've had no issues with it, works great. So that came out very nice. Viking, very cool. Like I said, those files came off Etsy. Paid like $3 or $4 a piece for them. Increased your size. And that was at 5,000 speed, 80% power. Originally, I tried burning that those 2x4s that is like 2,000 speed, 100% power, and it was burned black, and it was destroying the wood. It was like a campfire. So I stopped the job. I should have used it on a test piece of wood first, rather than my good piece of wood, but I didn't do a test first. Then I kicked it up to 5,000 speed, 80% power, one pass on fill mode, and it done awesome. Done a great job. So XTOOL D1, that's a win. Until the next video, guys, please like, subscribe, share, and thank you very much. Later. XTOOL D1, you rock, baby. Now we're done till the next one.